Have you ever thought about how the internet transformed our world? Today, businesses thrive in ways we couldn't imagine a few decades ago. With AI, remote work, and shifting consumer habits, new opportunities are emerging. What if you could start a business now that becomes a game changer in 5 years? In this video, we'll explore 10 online business models poised for growth. We'll uncover why they matter and what you need to know before diving in. Online businesses continually evolve as technology lowers barriers while increasing competition. Future success hinges on solving real problems, building trust, and adapting quickly. Let's count down these opportunities. AI-powered services are revolutionizing business. Entrepreneurs use AI tools to enhance productivity, customer support, and marketing. Think about automation consulting or AI workflow setup. Companies are willing to pay for results. Helping them utilize AI effectively is the key. Next, online education is booming. The demand for practical skills beyond traditional classrooms is rising. Online courses, workshops, and communities thrive when they provide real value. Remember, your knowledge becomes an asset when it solves specific problems. Now, consider niche software or micro SaaS businesses. These small software ventures solve specific problems for targeted users. For instance, tools for freelancers or local businesses create sustainable revenue. You don't need millions of users. Even a small, loyal group can lead to success. Digital media services are in demand as creators, podcasters, and online brands expand. They need help with editing, design, and content management. A specialized freelance business can serve this growing market effectively. Focus on a niche and grow with the industry. E-commerce is evolving too. Future success may rely on strong brand identity and community engagement. Building trust with customers goes beyond listing products. Personalization and direct relationships create a memorable shopping experience. Cybersecurity is more crucial than ever. As digital activity grows, so does the need for security. Services in cybersecurity education and consulting can meet this demand. Protecting digital assets has never been more valuable. Remote work has changed the game. Virtual assistants, project managers, and online support services are in high demand. Start small by offering services, then expand to build a team. This market continues to grow as companies embrace remote work. Another trend is digital products. Think about templates, tools, and design assets. Creating something once and selling it multiple times is a smart strategy, but quality matters. Find a specific audience facing recurring challenges. Sustainable businesses are gaining traction. As consumers prioritize environmental impacts, opportunities arise in digital marketplaces and educational platforms. Ensure your business genuinely solves problems, not just capitalizes on trends. Finally, personalized online services are becoming essential. Customers expect tailored experiences in education, finance, and shopping. Technology enables small businesses to deliver personalization that once required large teams. What do these businesses have in common? They solve real problems, adapt to technology, build trust, and focus on specific audiences. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Start small, learn, and improve over time. Tomorrow's successful online businesses may be small experiments begun by individuals ready to take action. What do you think? Which of these 10 businesses has the most potential? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to Finance Flow, and turn on notifications for more engaging content about money and the future economy. Your journey starts now. Starting an online business today allows for the exploration of various innovative models that can thrive in the coming years. The first business idea we'll explore is AI-powered services. This landscape offers enormous potential for those willing to embrace it. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it opens doors for entrepreneurs to develop solutions that enhance productivity. What if you could provide services that help businesses integrate AI into their workflows effectively? Consider offering tailored consulting sessions, where companies learn to leverage AI tools to automate routine tasks, improve customer interactions, or streamline operations. With ample investment in these technologies, those who can showcase clear results will undoubtedly attract clientele looking for efficiency and growth. Next in line, we'll dive into the world of online education, an industry that has experienced explosive growth recently. As students and professionals alike seek valuable skills outside the confines of traditional classrooms, the demand for engaging in practical online courses has surged. Imagine creating content that resonates with learners, perhaps focusing on fields like digital marketing, coding, or personal development. By utilizing your expertise to craft interactive workshops or comprehensive training programs, you can tap into this thriving market. Moreover, the key lies in ensuring that your educational offerings solve real-world challenges and provide actionable insights that participants can apply immediately, ultimately turning your knowledge into a truly valuable asset. Next, let's delve into the idea of niche software or micro-SaaS businesses, a concept gaining traction among savvy entrepreneurs. These ventures focus on delivering specialized software solutions that cater to the unique needs of a specific audience. For instance, imagine designing tools tailored for freelancers or local businesses that simplify project management or enhance client interactions. Instead of aiming for a large user base, the goal is to create a dedicated and loyal following that values your product. With the right approach, even a small group of engaged users can yield sustainable revenue streams, demonstrating that success doesn't always require massive scalability but rather a deep understanding of your customer's needs and challenges. Digital media services represent another exciting avenue for entrepreneurs thriving in today's content-driven market. As the demand for high-quality content grows, creators and brands require assistance with technical areas such as graphic design, video editing, and social media management. Establishing a specialized freelance business in this field allows you to address the needs of budding influencers and established companies alike. Brands are seeking unique visuals and compelling narratives, so by honing your skills in a specific niche, you can carve out a profitable space, helping clients amplify their reach while driving your own success. E-commerce continues to evolve dramatically, pushing forward innovative approaches for brand engagement. An essential aspect of future success in this arena will be weaving together a strong brand identity with community involvement. Businesses that prioritize building lasting relationships with their customers will stand out. This means going beyond mere product listings to create genuine connections. Effective strategies may include personalized marketing, customer loyalty programs, and mechanisms for direct feedback. A memorable shopping experience hinges on recognizing and addressing customer needs, transforming transactions into interactions that keep them coming back for more. As we progress, let's highlight the emerging importance of cybersecurity in our digital world. With rampant online activity, both individuals and businesses face increased risks, making cybersecurity services invaluable. Imagine launching a consulting firm that educates clients about safeguarding their digital assets or developing practical solutions tailored to their needs. Providing cybersecurity training and continuous support not only protects their interests but also positions you as a trusted partner in navigating this critical landscape. As awareness grows about potential threats, the demand for skilled professionals in this area will only escalate, opening doors for those prepared to step in and fill the gap. Remote work continues to reshape the landscape of business opportunities significantly. The rise of virtual assistants has created a niche market where skilled professionals offer essential services to companies operating in a new, decentralized workspace. Imagine providing administrative support, project management, or customer service from the comfort of your home, assisting multiple clients who require your expertise. As remote work inevitably becomes the norm, developing a flexible service model will enable you to scale your efforts and expand your team, ultimately catering to growing demand while enjoying the many benefits this modern approach provides. Another compelling trend is the creation of digital products. Imagine designing templates, tools, or digital assets that offer solutions to common challenges. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability. After you invest time in creating quality content, you can sell it repeatedly without significant additional work. Focus on identifying a specific audience that regularly needs your solutions, ensuring that your offerings truly resonate and add value. Among the promising ventures we've discussed, personalized online services emerge as a crucial aspect of today's business landscape. As consumers increasingly expect tailored experiences across various sectors, businesses that successfully deliver customization will flourish. This shift emphasizes the necessity for innovative solutions that cater to individual needs while harnessing technology to maintain efficiency and scale.